Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Today we're here with Jennie. Jennie from Blackpink. So this is the first solo apart from Lisa from Blackpink that I'm reacting to, because it was in the comment section and I pick up on it. So Jennie solo. Let's go, guys. Continue to hit that subscribe button for me and get me to 30K. We're trying to get there. We're working hard. As you can see, we're putting out a lot of reactions for you guys. So let's go. Solo, Jennie.
천진 나만 청순 가련 새침한 척 이젠 지쳤나 귀찮아 매일 뭐해 어디야 밥은 잘자 baby 자기 여보 보고 싶어 다 부질없어 You got me.
So she's singing to somebody that she misses. Okay.
천진 나만 청순 가련 새침한 척 이젠 지쳤나
Innocent and delicate, I'm tired of pretending. I'm done.
매일 뭐해 어디야 밥은 잘자 baby
Did you
자기
eat? So she's showing
여보 보고 싶어
So she's showing that she cares by asking him, "Did you eat?" Those are questions when somebody say, "Listen, are you okay? Did you eat today?" Like, those are questions that she's asking him, or the person that she's singing to. I'm done. What are you up to? Where you are? You did you eat tonight? Okay, I'll start reading out this. I just listen.
You got me like 이건 아무 감정 없는 love story 어떤 설렘도 어떤 의미도
True.
내게 미안하지만 I'm not sorry 오늘부터 나 Bitch 나는 solo
She tricked me. So she said she's tired of pretending. And then she's asking all this question. Now she's saying, I'm a shine solo. So basically, I don't need you. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. I don't need you. That's what she's saying right now. She changed her tune really fast. I like it. No romanticism. Alright. There she goes. From today.
I'm going solo, I'm going solo, Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl. You sitting on your feelings and sitting on my throne. I ain't got no time for the troubles in your eyes. This time I'm only looking at me, myself, and I.
She's changed. She's changed up on him, bro. She don't care about him no more. Nope, she's tired. Nope, she don't care. She's riding solo. Yes, she's riding solo. She don't need your ass no more. No, she don't.
I'm going solo, I'm going solo, Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl. You sitting on your feelings and sitting on my throne. I ain't got no time for the troubles in your eyes. This time I'm only looking at me, myself, and I. I'ma do it on my own now. Now that you're alone, got you looking for a clone now.
Now that you're alone, now you're looking for a clone now.
I'ma do it on my own now. Now that you're alone, got you looking for a clone now. That's how I'm getting down, destined for the center crown. Sing it loud like 이건 아무 감정 없는 love story.
Oh crap! So she's out now. She's in a bar or a club or something, and she see the guy talking to someone else. Is this what I'm getting from this?
이건 아무 감정 없는 love story. 어떤 설렘도 어떤 의미도 내게 미안하지만 I'm not sorry 오늘부터 나 Bitch 나는 solo 사랑 뒤엔 이별 눈물 후회 그리움 홀로인 게 좋아 난 나다워
Yeah, you should be true to yourself.
자유로운 바람처럼 구름 위에 별들처럼 멀리 가고 싶어 밝게 빛나고 싶어
Rightly.
Now I'm going slow-mo.
Here goes the dancing now. Here goes the dancing now.
Bitch, 나는 solo. I'm going solo, lo, 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 lo.
I love the part. I love the dancing in these videos.
Solo, lo, 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 lo.
I love the dancing in this video. Where is Jennie from? Where is Jennie from? I know that Lisa is from Thailand. Where is Jennie from? Is Jennie from Thailand also, or is Jennie from Korea? Where is Jennie from? Where is Jennie from? Someone let me know. Well, I'm sure a lot of you guys gonna answer that question for me. So let me know. You guys asked for this one. Here it is. I've given it to you. This one came out in 2018, November the 12th. That's my birthday, guys. Whoa. Okay, 2018. Okay. This one just for my birthday. Okay, guys. Please remember, I can't stress it enough how important it is to drop a sub to the channel, guys. Sub to the channel to support me, please. I would really appreciate it, man. You guys have been amazing though, but I'm stressing it more. Like share the videos and sub to the channel, man. Jennie, big up yourself, girl. I love it. Let me know who to react to next from this genre of music, and I'll definitely do that. But I love it. I've opened up. I'm down in a rabbit hole, and I'm discovering so many talents that I was clueless to before. So it's good that I'm doing this, and I am enjoying doing it. By the way, I am enjoying doing it, and I enjoy you guys in the comment section, man. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Peace.